Stop using keywords like this because the way most YouTubers use them is destroying their growth. I know it sounds shocking, but let me show you why. If you have been stuffing your titles, spamming your description, and throwing in 100 of random tags, you are actually making YouTube hide your video. I saw this with a small cooking channel, and by the way guys, I'm going to be using the cooking niche throughout this particular video for tutorial because the video I saw was a cooking video, like the person's video that actually made me want to make this video for you guys. The person is actually in the cooking niche, so I'm going to be using that niche for example. Their video titles look like best pasta recipe, easy pasta, how to cook pasta, pasta sauce, Italian food. On paper, it seems smart, right? They were trying to rank for everything related to pasta. But what happened? Hardly did they get any clicks. Zero traction. No growth. And the more keywords they stuff, the worse their channel performed. You know why? Because they were writing for search engines, not people. Now, let me tell you the truth. YouTube doesn't push your video just because of keywords. It pushes it because of people's behavior. The algorithm usually asks 3 questions. And the first question is, do people click when they see your title? The second question, do they keep watching when they click? And the third question, do they interact with your content? What I mean by interact, do they like? Do they comment? Do they share? If your title looks robotic, nobody's going to click. That leads to low click-through rates. And when CTR is low, YouTube buries your video. So stuffing keywords doesn't actually help your channel. It actually hurts your channel. Now, let me tell you what actually works and how to actually go about it. I'm going to be breaking it into different segments for you guys. The first one, pick one clear keyword per video. If your video is about pasta, focus only on pasta. Something like easy 10-minute pasta recipe, not easy pasta, best sauce, cooking pasta. No. The second thing is write for humans, not robots. Your title should sound like something a person would say naturally. The third thing, description strategy. The first line of your description should contain hook and keywords. For example, learn how to cook a delicious 10-minute pasta recipe that anyone can make at home. Then your line 2 to line 3 should show value promise. For example, this simple recipe is perfect for beginners and packed with flavor. Forget dumping all those pasta, recipe, Italian food, cooking, so all in one line. YouTube knows that spam. That's keyword spam. Point number 4. Use 5 to 10 relevant tags like easy pasta recipe or quick dinner ideas. Don't waste time adding up to like 50 tags because you think adding 50 tags, 20 tags is going to make the algorithm push out your content more. Point number 5, relevance beats reach. Don't use pizza or dessert as keywords if your video is only about pasta. Misleading keywords drive people away and it hurts your audience retention. So now let me now tell you the key. YouTube actually uses semantic search. I know a lot of you might be wondering, what's the meaning of semantic search? That means it understands context, not just exact words. Let me break it down further. If you write something like quick dinner idea, creamy pasta anyone can cook, the system knows it's about pasta recipe, even without stuffing keywords. Do you guys actually understand? So now let me now give you guys a little challenge. So here's your challenge. For your next video, choose one clear keyword, make your title natural, and write your description like you're talking to a friend. Do this for 3 uploads and watch your CTR improve. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever stuffed your title or description with random keywords before? Let me know in the comment section. You can comment yes or no if you have ever done that. So if this particular video have actually helped you, if you have left 1 or 2, please do well to hit on the like button, do well to subscribe, do well to comment, and do well to share. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.